Launching a brand new product on Amazon is exciting, but there's one big problem. With 0 reviews, customers don't trust your listing. No reviews usually means no sales. Most sellers start by running PPC ads. This gets your product in front of shoppers and brings those crucial first sales. But here's the catch. Only a small percentage of buyers actually leave reviews. You might get 10 sales and maybe 1 review, if you're lucky. Another option is the Amazon Vine program. It's great for honest feedback and it can kickstart your review count. But it has limits. Not every product qualifies, and the process can take weeks before reviews start showing up. You can also use the Request a Review button in Seller Central. It's fast, it's approved by Amazon, and it helps remind customers to leave feedback. Still, the conversion rate is usually low, and you may be waiting a long time to reach even 20 reviews. This is where Amsbird changes the game. Instead of waiting months, you can launch a review campaign through our platform. We connect you with verified buyers who purchase your product and leave authentic, high-quality reviews. You'll get detailed tracking, order IDs, and real-time updates, so you know exactly how your campaign is performing. With Amsbird, building a product page with 50 reviews doesn't take forever. It becomes a predictable, manageable process. So if you're tired of slow growth and endless waiting, take action today. Combine your PPC campaigns, Amazon programs, and review requests with the power of Amsbird, and watch your product go from 0 to 50 reviews in record time. Visit amsbird.com and give your launch the best chance of success.